The area enclosed between the curves y equals root x, y equals 6 minus x, and the x-axis is revolved around the y-axis. Find the volume of the solid formed. Now, I think we really do need a sketch of this one. So here's my y-axis. Here's my x-axis. Root x is like this. 6 minus x, well, that's a straight line like that. The x-intercept is 6 and the y-intercept is 6. We're going to need this point here. The area we're talking about rotating is this area just here. Now, we're going to need where those intersect, because what we're going to do is we're going to rotate this section of line, this one here, and that would be rotating that around. But then what we're going to need to do is rotate this around so we can subtract this part off. Now, let's find the intersection. So we've got root x is equal to 6 minus x. Square both sides. X is 6 minus x squared. So x is going to be 36. Take away 12x plus x squared, which gives me x squared minus 13x plus 36 is equal to 0. So that's x minus 9, x minus 4 equals 0, x equals 9, or x equals 4. It's clearly not that one, since we've got 6 here, and they're not going to intersect when x equals 9. You can see that this line's just going to keep going down, and this is going to keep going up. So that's a phantom of the fact that we squared both sides, I think. And so this is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So integrals are going to be from 0 to 2. So what we're going to need is pi times the integral from y equals 0 to y equals 2 of x squared dy, where this one is the y equals 6 minus x, take away pi times the integral from y equals 0 to y equals 2 of x squared dy, where this one is the y equals root x. So this one is pi times the integral from 0 to 2. Now if y is 6 minus x, that means that x is equal to 6 minus y. So x squared is going to be 6 take away y, all squared. And then for this one, if y is root x, x squared would be y to the 4. So that's going to be pi times the integral from 0 to 2 of 36, take away 12y plus y squared dy, take away pi times the integral of y to the 4 dy. So that's pi 36y, take away 6y squared plus y cubed on 3 from 0 to 2. Take away pi times y to the 5 on 5 from 0 to 2. So that's going to be pi into 72, take away 6 times 4, plus 8 on 3. Take away pi times 2 to the 5, 32 on 5. And we just need to calculate that, and it gives us 664 over 15 pi cubic units.